In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Kling AI, a tool that has been gaining traction among content creators, marketers, and anyone looking to speed up their content production workflow using artificial intelligence. Kling AI promises to take the heavy lifting out of script writing, editing, and idea generation, and I wanted to put it to the test to see if it's worth your time, money, and creative energy. I've spent some time using Kling AI across different types of projects, from generating YouTube video scripts and blog outlines to creating social media captions and brainstorming content ideas. So in this review, I'll walk you through how it performed, what I liked, what I think could be improved, and who this tool might be best for. Right out of the gate, I found that Kling AI's user interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Even if you're new to AI tools, you won't feel overwhelmed when you first log in. The dashboard presents clear options for different types of content you might want to generate, whether that's long-form video scripts, short social media copy, or even marketing email drafts. One thing that stood out to me is how customizable the prompts can be. You're not just forced to use preset templates. Instead, you can tweak and tailor your instructions to give the AI more context about your audience, tone, style, or messaging goals, which helps produce outputs that feel more aligned with your brand voice. In terms of actual output quality, I was pleasantly surprised. The scripts and content ideas generated by Kling AI are generally coherent, on topic, and meaningful. For example, when I asked it to write an engaging YouTube script about a tech product review, it delivered a structured draft that included an introduction, key value points, and even a suggested call to action. It's important to remember, though, that the results aren't perfect every time. There were moments where I had to go back and refine certain sections or edit awkward phrasing. But that's somewhat expected with any AI content tool. You'll still need to put in your own creative energy and editorial judgment to make the output truly shine. One of the features I appreciated most was the brainstorming support. If you ever hit a creative block, Kling AI can generate lists of topic ideas, titles, hooks, and angles based on just a few keywords. That saved me a lot of time compared to staring at a blank page trying to find fresh content ideas. On the flip side, I did notice that sometimes the suggestions felt a bit generic, especially for niche topics. In those cases, I had to be more specific with my prompts to get truly useful results. Another consideration is pricing. Kling AI offers different subscription tiers, and while the basic plan is accessible, some of the more advanced features are locked behind higher-tier plans. Whether or not that's worth it really depends on how much content you're producing and how deeply you want AI to be embedded in your workflow. For casual creators, the lower-tier plan might be enough. For professionals or larger teams, you might find value in upgrading. Overall, Kling AI is a solid option for anyone looking to enhance their content creation process with AI. It's not a magic button that eliminates your creative input, but it's a powerful assistant that can help you generate ideas more quickly and break through creative roadblocks. Let me know in the comments if you've tried or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.